What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting, baseball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 3 breaks for you tonight. The bad break drawing, we only had one team that didn't get a hit, so Ben, you'll be the winner by default. We'll start off tonight with the eBay auction break of the 2015 Topps Chrome Baseball. Here is the roster for that one. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Max Scherzer, Chris Archer, J.J. Hardy, Denny Hechavarria, Chris Sale, Dwayne Navarro, Matt Shoemaker, Chrome Commencements, and Freddie Freeman. Kevin Gausman, Jose Bautista, Joe Panik, Albert Pujols, Yadier Molina, Chris Owings, Byron Buxton, rookie for the Twins, and Andrew McCutchen. Hunter Pence, Maikel Franco, first hit going to of the Giants, on card rookie auto for Gary Brown. Giants going to Gen M, 1979. Congratulations, and Paul Carnerco. Jonathan Papelbon, Edwin Escobar, Rougned Odor, and Eric Hosmer. Adam Jones, Nelson Cruz, J.J. Hardy, Gilder Rodriguez. Dustin Pedroia, Steve Souza Jr., purple refractor for the Rays, 199 out of 250. Going to Styling Beauty 40, Mike Foltowitz and Danny Santana. Colton Wong, Melky Cabrera, Mookie Betts, Devin Travis. Edwin Encarnacion, Christian Walker, Future Stars, Brad Ziegler, Buster Posey. Corey Kluber, Ian Desmond, Craig Kimbrell, Felix Hernandez. Victor Martinez, Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, Giancarlo Stanton, and Yordano Ventura. Doug Fister, second hit going to the Tigers, Stephen Moya on card rookie auto. Tigers going to Styling Beauty 40. Chris Bryant, rookie for the Cubs, Mike Moustakas. Nick Castellanos, Jose Perella, Steven Strasburg, Manny Machado. Mike Minor, Jose Bautista, Jorge Soler, Josh Reddick. Austin Jackson, David Ortiz, Micah Johnson, Yasmani Thomas. Alex Cobb, Yasmani Tomas, Mark Teixeira, Rusney Castillo. John Holtzcomb, Johnny Cueto, Evan Longoria, Gallery of Greats. Going to Styling Beauty 40, Sean Doolittle. Adrian Gonzalez, Mookie Betts, Michael Wacha, Tommy La Stella. Ryan Braun, Yimi Garcia, Brandon Belt, Steven Souza Jr., Travis Denard, Dalton Pompey, Todd Frazier, Ken Giles, David Price, Mike Fultonwitz, Future Stars, Jose Altuve, Terrence Gore, Jason Rogers, Troy Tulowitzki, Jose Fernandez, Brett Gardner, Starling Marte, Nick Swisher, Ian Kinsler, and Reimer Lariano. That'll do it for the Chrome. Now we have box 1 of a Tier 1 baseball. And we'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste those results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Alright, it looks like we have a bonus 4th hit in this box. First for the Rockies, Charlie Blackmon, game used patch, 109 out of 399. Going to Joshua S. A's a dual patch, Ricky Henderson, 6 out of 50. Going to Henry. Newgard on-card autograph for the Cubs, Arismendi Alcantara, 168 out of 399. Going to Donald. And for the Yankees, Mark Teixeira on-card auto, super short print, 22 out of 25. Going to Ashley. And that'll do it for box 1. And here we go, box 2, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.